Robots are no longer just a futuristic fantasy, they're becoming part of our daily lives, and one country leading the charge in bringing them to consumers: China. But let's zoom out for a moment. The earliest humanoid robots were little more than novelties, marvels built for research labs, conventions, or films. They could walk stiffly, wave awkwardly, or say a pre-programmed sentence. And while they sparked imaginations, they didn't exactly serve real-world purposes. Fast forward to today, and the robots entering China's consumer market are miles ahead. Both in capability and ambition, these humanoid robots are designed to seamlessly integrate into everyday life. Think personal assistants capable of holding basic conversations, home helpers that can fetch and carry small items, or even social companions designed to cheer up elderly family members. Companies like Xiaomi and UB Robotics are building robots with highly lifelike appearances, advanced AI capabilities, and even facial expressions that mimic human emotions. It sounds like science fiction, but in major cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen, it's already a reality. One of the reasons China is leading the pack: demand. The country has one of the fastest aging populations in the world, and many families are looking for alternatives to traditional caregiving. And thanks to China's massive manufacturing ecosystem, these humanoid robots are becoming more affordable with every innovation cycle. But it's not all about caregiving. Robots are also finding their way into more playful markets. Families are looking at them as intelligent playmates for children, social robots that can teach math, tell bedtime stories, or even help a child practice new languages. Then there's the hospitality industry, where humanoid robots are greeting customers in hotel lobbies, taking orders at restaurants, or even helping shoppers navigate massive department stores. Of course, this wave of consumer-friendly robots isn't without its challenges. There's the question of privacy. After all, many of these robots require cameras, microphones, and network access to function effectively. And then there's the cultural sensitivity. How much should robots mimic humans? Should they display emotions, or is it better to keep them strictly utilitarian? These questions loom large as the technology progresses. What's clear, though, is that humanoid robots in China are more than a gimmick. They're filling real needs, pushing technological boundaries, and redefining the limits of what machines can do. And as adoption spreads, they're bound to influence the way other parts of the world view this technology. The question isn't whether robots will change our lives, they already are. The real question is, how far are we willing to go to make them a part of it? With China at the forefront of this revolution, the answers may come sooner than we think.